All right, we have a bucket or something. It's only got red chips, white chips, and blue chips. And they ask us to find the probability, this is the notation I'm using, the probability of white or blue if we reach in there and pull out a chip. That's what I'm trying to find. Clue 1 says the probability the chip will be blue, probability of blue equals 1/5. And we're trying to find white or blue. So we know blue, but we know nothing about white, so clue 1 does not work. Clue 2 says the probability that the chip will be red is 1/3. Well, that's going to work because your chips are either red, white, or blue. And we know the probability of red is 1/3. And that leaves us white or blue, which is what I'm trying to find. So the sum of your probabilities must give you 1. So if I know red, 1 minus 1/3, the probability of red, that's going to give me what's left over, which is the probability of white or blue. So that's going to be 2/3 is that probability. So clue 2 works. The answer is B.